In this video, I want to show you how to replace your ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TR7820. So let's get started right away. So on each side of your printer, there is a gap, one over here and one on the same side, on the same place, but on the other side. Stick your finger inside and lift the top panel. Lift completely and the top will stay in place like this. It will not fall down because there's a prop over here. The printer needs to be turned on. This is very important when you replace or when you install your ink cartridges, because as you saw, the cartridge carriage will be presented to you. Usually it's not sitting here, but it knows that you want to replace the ink, so it will bring it over here. It's very important to not mix up the ink cartridges. The color ink cartridge always goes on the left side and the black ink cartridge on the right side. So I'll go ahead and open the black ink. Let's start with this one. Take the cartridge out. Next, we need to remove this orange tape that is over here protecting the print head. Okay, never touch with your finger the print head. Take your ink cartridge this way. Okay, you should be able to see and read Canon PG285. You're gonna open the lid of the black ink simply by, okay, I don't know if you saw, pressing this small tab, it will release the lid. And now bring the ink cartridge and it should go inside. It may take a few tries, as you saw. It took me a few seconds until it fitted perfectly inside. And then all you have to do is to press on this lid until it clicks in place. For the color one, it's exactly the same, so I will release the lid. Take my ink cartridge, make sure that you remove the orange tape. From here, okay, I will hold it this way so I'm able to read Canon and simply glide it inside until it fits right there, and then close the lid. When time comes to replace these cartridges, open the lid and simply remove the cartridge, okay, by pulling it out this way. Okay, you need to pinch the extremity. Let me do it over here too so you see better. I'm pinching and removing. It has this very small lip that helps you do this. I'll put them back. Perfect. And now I'll close the lid. At the end, don't forget, I mean, how can you forget to close the top lid? And to do that, you need to push up this lid and then release it. It will go down slowly until it closes down. Here we go. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like. Subscribe. If you want ink for your Canon Pixma printer like this one, I'll put links from Amazon to the specific ink cartridge, okay, so you don't have to search around, that fits and are compatible with this Canon. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.